Here we have a Volkswagen T-roc SE 1 litre TSI 115 PS. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, automatic LED headlights, ultrasonic front and rear parking sensors, and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes 2-zone climate control, wireless app connect, and a multi-device interface with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.